Hello, this is question 7 on your June 2022 paper 1 from AQA, the AS paper. You have a curve has this equation, which is a quadratic. A is a positive constant, and the area between the curve and the x-axis is 36 units. Find the value of A. I think it's going to help you to see the curve represented. So it's a quadratic, it's upside down, it's an U upside down because the coefficient of x squared is negative. Yeah, so this is negative, so it's going to have this shape. If we factorize, we can use difference of two squares because we have something squared minus something squared. So we can write it as a minus x, a plus x, which means the roots are x equal to a and x equal to minus a, so the quadratic is doing something like this, where this is minus a and this is a, and this is the area enclosed, which is 36. Yeah, so seeing the sketch, we can see clearly that this area is going to be the integral of the function between minus a and a. Yeah, so the area, which is 36, is going to be the integral between minus a and a of a squared minus x squared dx, and this is going to be 36. So I'm going to do the integral and then we make it equal to 36. So we have the first part is a constant, so it's going to be a squared x, so this is the having 2, so 2x, yeah, so a number x, then minus x cubed, so one more divided by the new exponent, and all between minus a and a. This is going to be equal to, when I substitute the a, I have a here times a squared, a cubed, minus a cubed divided by 3. And then minus, and I'm going to write a bracket so we don't make mistakes. When I substitute the minus a times a squared is minus a cubed. So this has a minus at the front, this minus is this minus. And then minus a cubed is minus a cubed, with this minus at the front becomes a plus. So plus a cubed divided by 3. So we have a cubed minus minus a cubed is 2a cubed. I'm thinking that maybe it's less confusing to put all together. Give me just 1 second. So I have this, and I can delete one of the minuses. I think it's going to help you to see all together, just in case you are confused with the signs. Yeah, so a cubed minus minus a cubed is 2a cubed, and then minus a cubed divided by 3 minus a cubed divided by 3 is minus 2 thirds of a cubed, which is 6 minus 2, 4 thirds of a cubed. Yeah, this is 36 because the area is equal to 36. So if 4 thirds of a cubed is 36, when we multiply by 3 and divide by 4, we have 36 divided by 4 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27, so a cubed is 27, therefore a is cube root of 27, which is 3. And that's it. That's all with this question. Yeah, so I think the sketch will help you to understand what you have to integrate and between what, and then the integral is quite simple. Just be careful with the signs because it's easy to make mistakes here. Yeah, and that's all with this question.